Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why you need an instant camera in your life. Today's video is in collaboration with Kodak Printers USA, and they were kind enough to send me the Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro. More photos. Oh, let me see everything that you took. I don't know what to pick out of these 2,000 photos that look exactly the same. Here, take 500 more. Let me see. Oh, that's so nice! I love it! Number one reason why you need an instant camera is that it's fun to use. Do you remember the last time when someone, or maybe a friend, brought an instant camera and how much you enjoyed taking photos and patiently waiting for those photos to print? Unlike most instant cameras where there's no turning back once you click the shutter, the Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro gives you an option to either print the photo or not, and that would save you a lot of photo papers. Number two is for scrapbook or photo album. If you're into crafting and making memories, having an instant camera to capture that and having a physical copy is a great way to treasure those memories. Point number three is for photo guestbooks. Say goodbye to boring party and wedding guestbooks and replace it with photo guestbooks. Reading that your guests are ecstatic for you is wonderful, but so is seeing it. With this Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro, you can have the best of both worlds. Make sure you give the instructions to your guests and let them have fun taking photos and write a little note for you. Point number four. You can use it as kids' label containers. Children who can't read yet but can follow basic instructions can help tidy up their own things. Instead of writing their names in their own toy boxes and containers, you can print out their photos and stick their photos into their containers. That way, they will know which containers is theirs. Point number five. Souvenir. When it comes to getting souvenirs while traveling, ref magnets, keychains, or even shot glasses are a thing of the past. On your next travel, why not bring your instant camera and snap those photos away? Point number six, it's a great conversation starter. Point number seven, you can use your instant camera for a DIY photo booth. Photo booths are gaining so much popularity nowadays, especially when it comes to parties. If you want something that your guests would enjoy and affordable, you can have your Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro do its job as it clicks and prints. For an affordable price of 30 cents per photo, while other photo printers would cost about $1 each, you can be sure that you'll be having the best of deal. Point number eight, it could be a good refrigerator magnet, so you can always see the nice photos you have taken whenever you open your fridge for no reason. With this camera, you have two printing modes, with or without borders. Personally, I love the one with the borders because it gives a very retro and vintage vibes. Number nine, it's a really good keepsake or remembrance for the people you meet. Since the Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro is a 2-in-1 printer and camera, you can take photos using this, or you can print photos from your phone through the printer. You can simply download the Kodak Instant Printer app, turn on the camera, connect the Bluetooth, and print using the app. You can also play around with different options where you can add some decorations, frames, or even change the filter. You can also edit the photos and customize the borders. Last but not the least is point number 10, you can decorate your workspace. Fill your desk with photos of things or people that inspire you to work harder. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, if you're interested in purchasing the Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro, check out my description bar down below for a link where you can shop this camera. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!